Tear aid repair patches provide a simple and easy method of patching holes and tears, as well as an excellent protective film solution. Each tear aid repair patch is made from an exceptionally tough, matte finish, abrasion-resistant, elastomer that resists puncture and tearing. The Tear Aid Type B vinyl repair patch sticks to vinyl and vinyl-coated material only. Vinyl has oils that are absorbed by most adhesives, which causes the adhesive to turn gooey, gummy, and ultimately lose bond. Tear Aid vinyl repair patches contain an inhibitor that blocks the oils found in vinyl, resulting in a long-lasting repair. The Tear Aid patch is see-through to work on any color and is UV resistant to prevent yellowing for years. It provides instant adhesion with no sewing, no glue and no mess. The patch also conforms to irregular surfaces and won't turn gummy in high heat. Each box of Tear Aid patch contains 3 in x5 featuring roll of Tear Aid patch that cuts easily with scissors to any size, alcohol prep pads, set of illustrated instructions, box dimensions, 3.75 by 3.75 by 3.75. Tear Aid repair patches are made in the USA. Of the highest quality and standards. Keep Tear Aid handy and be prepared to be a hero. Don't throw it away, repair it. Top reviews from the United States. This tape works really well. I was skeptical this tape would hold up on an inflatable kayak we own. I tried some clear, waterproof duct tape before that did not work. I was really surprised at how easy it was to repair the hole in the boat. As I blew it up, you could see the tape stretch, adjust to fit the shape of the boat. And here's the best part. I knew I needed to patch a pretty good puncture hole, caused by a fishhook, and I brought the patch kit with us camping. There was actually another hole on the underside of the boat, which I was also able to fix with this same kit, no extra cost. My kids paddled around in the kayak for a couple of days on the lake and it never lost any air. I would highly recommend this stuff, especially for the price.